Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Wells Fargo, detailed guide step by step clearly. To invest in Wells Fargo, start by researching the company. Understand its financial health, historical performance, and market position. Visit the Wells Fargo website to gather up-to-date information. Set clear investment goals based on your financial situation. Choose an investment method, such as buying shares directly or through a mutual fund. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Compare different brokerage platforms to find one that suits your needs. Complete the account opening process by providing necessary personal information. Fund your brokerage account through a linked bank account or other payment methods. Once your account is funded, search for Wells Fargo's stock ticker symbol, WFC. Analyze the stock price and recent performance trends. Decide how many shares you want to purchase. Place a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set your desired purchase price. Review your order before finalizing the transaction. Monitor your investment regularly to evaluate performance. Stay informed about external factors that could impact Wells Fargo's stock price. Consider setting stop-loss orders to minimize potential losses. Think about your exit strategy and determine when to sell your shares. Continuously educate yourself on market trends to make informed decisions. Reassess your investment periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.